So me and my wife have been riding our four-wheeler hard as hell through the woods. So we figured we'd do a little trail oil change and show y'all how to do it. So I just picked myself up a Honda TRX 450. I haven't changed oil on it yet. I'm gonna show you guys how to do it in 3 easy steps in under 10 minutes. So changing the oil on the trail, these are the tools you're gonna need. You're not gonna need many. You're gonna need a ratchet. You're gonna need a 5/16 socket. Then you're gonna need a 12mm socket. A K&N oil filter. That's just the brand I like. You can get any oil filter for whatever quad you have. I have mineral oil for my quad and a container to catch the oil so you don't leave it on the trail like a jackass. All the products that I used, you could find the link to them in the description. Step 1 on changing the oil on your TRX 450 would be draining the oil. It's a 12mm drain plug underneath the bike. Always have a bottle handy to let the oil drain into that because you don't want to leave it on the car. Save this, put it in your pickup. You have a bonfire you need to light. Bada bing. Or take it to your local mechanic store and they'll recycle it for you. Step 2, you're going to remove the oil filter cover, basically. It's 2 5/16 bolts, and it's kind of spring-loaded when you take it off of there, so it's going to come out pretty quick. When you put the new oil filter on, you have to press it on there with a little bit of force, and then bolt it down, and evenly bolt them down as you go. Step 3, final step, you fill it up with the oil that your bike calls for. Once you reach the midpoint between high and low on the peep sight, which is a little clear glass circle that shows you how full the oil is, you want to close up the oil reservoir, start the quad up, let it run for a minute because it'll pull all the oil into the system, and then you're going to need to add a little bit more. You don't just want to hop on it and go. Let me know in the comment section if you guys did this on your own and it worked out for you. Be sure to hit that like and subscribe button. Leave me a comment if this is a video that you liked or you want me to do more like them. You could leave me a comment of something you want me to do, and shit, we'll do it.